Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula. My channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Dollar General weekly ad starting on August 13th through August 19th. So there's a promotion going on the 2 liters drinks. It's going to be on the Coca-Cola, Sprite, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Canada Dry, A&W, RC Cola, and Suncare. They are buy 3 for $3. For the 12-pack Coca-Cola promotion, it's going to be on the Coca-Cola or Sprite products. There's a sale. You can get 3 for $11 if you clip that $2 off digital coupon. And again, you have to pick up 3. Now, scrolling a little further down, there's a deal on Pepsi if you don't prefer Coca-Cola products. They're going to be on sale. You can get them 3 for $12, but you got to clip that $2 off digital coupon as well. For the Suavitel, it's regularly priced at $4, but there is a $1.50 digital coupon, making your final cost $2.50. It is hot, hot, hot everywhere, so you can buy 3 Gatorades and get 1 for free if you want to keep your electrolytes in check. For the bathroom tissue, the Scott 12 family rolls will be on sale for $4.75, but clip that $1 digital coupon and that will make your final cost $3.75. Okay, so if you're into coffee, this is new at Dollar General. They've got the Maxwell House K-Cup 12 count, and they also have the IHOP K-Cups 10 count. For some laundry promotions, they have the Tide. It's regularly priced at $3.50, and there is a 50 cents digital coupon. If Arm & Hammer is your laundry detergent of choice, it is regularly priced for $9.50, but there is a $3 digital coupon that you can clip. Back to school is in full swing here, but I know some schools go back as late as Labor Day weekend. So if you are still preparing for back to school, or if you're already gone back to school, there are lots of promotions and deals going on at Dollar General. They've got the composition books for $1, and they have crayons and notebook deals. Now, I cannot believe this, but the Febreze has the fall scents coming out already. Oh my goodness, it is fall. Clip that $1.50 digital coupon, and that will make your final cost $1.75. If you're in need of some paper products, there you can save an additional $1 if you're into Cottonelle Ultra Clean or Cottonelle Bath Tissue, the 4 mega rolls. Now, if you need to keep your dishes sparkly clean, the Dawn Easy Squeeze is regularly priced at $4, but there is a 50 cents digital coupon, making your final cost $3.50. Now, in my house, back to school means packing lunches, eating on the go, and traveling for sporting events. So there are a lot of deals going on in the grocery section. If you're into the V8 Splash Juice, they are 2 for $4, and the Welch's Juice will be on sale for $3. You can also start your morning off right with the Jimmy Dean breakfast bowls. They're going to be on sale for $3. And the Eggo waffles are 2 for $5. If you're into coffee, there's also a few promotions going on this week at Dollar General. They have the Clover Valley single serve coffee. That's the 12 count, and it is going to be on promotion for $3. Also, to go along with your coffee, there's the Coffee Mate Coffee Creamer, the powder, and it is going to be on sale for $6.50. If you need a grab and go snack, the Mott's applesauce, the 6-pack, is going to be on sale 2 for $4. And if you're into pastry or toaster strudels, they're going to be on sale for $3.25. So there is no reason to leave the house without a good hearty breakfast. Now let's take a look at some of the snack items. They got the Ritz crackers. They're going to be 2 for $8. And they also have the string cheese that you can pair with the crackers as well. Hot Pockets are going to be 2 for $6. Again, that's a quick little after school snack that a lot of kids can make by themselves, but you have to be careful with those Hot Pockets. You don't want to bite into those and get your tongue scorched, because that has happened more times than I'd like to say. Now, the back to school promotions just keep on getting better. They've got the loose leaf paper, whether you like the wide or the college rule, for 75 cents. They've got the 2-pocket folders and plastic rulers, 3 for $1. So many great deals. I think Dollar General is a good place to stock up, especially if you have little kids. I only have one child left in high school, and he's all digital. They have laptops, the Chromebooks, and so they don't even have any school supplies anymore. But if you still need the paper, the pencil, the color pencils, the erasers, the glue stick, the glue, the pencil pouches, the scissors, Dollar General is the place to be this week. So that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.